A small kitchen doesn't limit creativity. It challenges you to design smart and beautifully. The key is maximizing every inch through thoughtful layout, lighting, and intentional decor choices. Start by decluttering. Clear counters immediately make the space feel larger and more open. Choose multifunctional furniture or foldable tables to save space while maintaining practical usability. Open shelving replaces bulky cabinets, adding both storage and visual lightness to the design. Keep shelves organized with matching jars, baskets, and labeled containers for cohesive minimal charm. Vertical space is valuable. Install hooks, racks, or wall rails for utensils and cookware. Magnetic knife strips and hanging systems keep tools handy without cluttering valuable counter area. Use reflective surfaces like glass, glossy tiles, or metallic accents to enhance natural light beautifully. Light colors expand visual space. Whites, beiges, and pastels keep the kitchen airy and bright. For contrast, introduce subtle, darker elements in handles, edges, or small decorative accessories. Lighting transforms everything. Layer ambient, task, and accent lights for balanced illumination throughout. Under-cabinet LED strips provide focused brightness while adding a modern, high-end aesthetic touch. If natural light exists, keep window treatments minimal to allow openness and unhindered brightness. Mirrors or glass panels on cabinet doors visually double the perceived depth of compact kitchens. Use slim furniture and narrow islands for functionality without overwhelming the surrounding circulation space. Consider portable kitchen carts. Flexible, stylish, and perfect for limited areas requiring adaptability. Compact appliances are your best friends. Sleek designs maintain utility and visual simplicity simultaneously. Choose integrated appliances where possible. Hidden installations create seamless flow and reduce visual noise. Drawer dividers maximize organization, ensuring every utensil and tool has a specific functional place. Choose durable yet lightweight materials. They enhance practicality and preserve openness in smaller environments. Flooring continuity matters. Consistent tone or pattern connects the kitchen with adjoining spaces fluidly. Add texture through natural materials. Woven baskets, wooden boards, or ceramic containers balance modernity. Avoid overcrowding countertops with gadgets. A few elegant pieces convey purpose and intentional minimalism. Introduce greenery. Small herb pots or trailing plants add life without occupying much space. Use wall-mounted planters or window ledges for fresh herbs that serve function and decor equally. Smart storage is vital. Pull-out drawers, corner shelves, or vertical cabinets utilize hidden potential. Transparent storage jars visually lighten the room and help maintain clean, coordinated arrangements. Color zoning divides small kitchens visually. Define areas subtly with tones or textures that contrast. Keep decorative items functional. Bowls, cutting boards, and jars double as styling accents effortlessly. Compact bar stools or foldable seating enhance flexibility while maintaining streamlined silhouettes around counters. When choosing hardware, slim metallic handles elevate design without overwhelming delicate cabinetry surfaces. Avoid heavy ornamentation. Small spaces thrive on simplicity, clean lines, and cohesive visual rhythm. Rugs or runners add warmth. Choose washable, neutral designs that define zones subtly and elegantly. Art belongs here too. A single framed print or abstract piece adds sophistication gracefully. Maintain visual balance between open and closed storage to keep structure without overwhelming eyes visually. Ceiling space matters. Pendant lights or hanging shelves add functionality and artistic expression together. Keep lighting soft, never harsh. Warmth enhances coziness, even within limited square footage environments. Scent adds sensory appeal. Candles or diffusers introduce freshness and inviting ambiance to your kitchen. Mirrors, metallics, and glossy finishes bounce light. Each reflection makes your kitchen appear larger. Use trays to group decor items neatly, avoiding clutter while adding layered styling sophistication. Embrace transparency. Glass containers, shelves, or light fixtures reduce heaviness and encourage openness perception. Stick to a cohesive color palette. Too many hues disrupt flow and shrink visual harmony. Add accent tones sparingly. Pastel blue, mint, or gold can uplift the overall mood. Avoid overcrowding walls with decor. A few intentional touches speak louder than excessive decoration. Repetition builds rhythm. Similar tones, shapes, and textures create calm, organized composition throughout. Keep everyday items accessible, decorative pieces elevated, Design through balance and conscious placement decisions. Function first, beauty follows naturally. Efficient layouts create emotional comfort and visual sophistication combined. Simplicity is elegance. Every item should earn its place through purpose and quiet beauty. A well-styled small kitchen radiates charm, warmth, and balance, proof that less becomes more.